Evening and a warm welcome to Commissioner Cup presentation ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋರಾಗೆ you're all DCPs, crime branch of ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. Welcome sir, welcome for the presentation ceremony. Amidst us, we also have Shri Seemat Kumar Singh, who is an IPS Commissioner of Police, Bengaluru City. I would request our DCP Narayana Electronic City to welcome sir. We welcome you sir. Amidst us, we also have Mr. Rahul Chaudhary, who is a Managing Director, Chief Editor of TV9. We welcome you sir. Amidst us, we also have our Lieutenant Colonel, Mr. Anand, Kerala and Karnataka. Sir is not amidst us, but he has conveyed his regards and too much of love. Amidst us, we also have Swagata Suswagata. We welcome you, sir. Amidst us, Abhimanigalidare, too much of Suswagata. We also have amidst us Shri Vamshi Krishna, who is an IPS. ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ let's proceed towards a prize distribution. 6 teams are Khaki Lions, Old Monks, BC. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Audio.
All the senior officers, all the team players, and also especially.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, ಸಮಯದ ತಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ ಬಿಸಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್. BCR Panthers ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Third place for Commissioner Cup 2025 goes to BCR Panthers. Commissioners Cup 2025. Come on! Hockey Lions!
Mobile down madre.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations winners, the champions.